Alright, now we've got our arms loosened up a little bit more. We're going to lift some weights, do some bench pressing. It's a real good upper body exercise. Yeah. You don't want to use too much weight, a moderate weight. It's enough to get your blood pumping. You also don't want to use too light of a weight. Just throw it up a couple times. Alright. Your turn, Alex. Go, Jim.
Dude, get it up. Okay. You want me to help you?
Yeah, a little bit.
I can't, dude. I got the camera. Hold on. Let me set it down.
Oh, shit,
Okay.
Okay, that concludes this section.